Welcome to this comprehensive guide on downloading your subscribers list in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn each step of the process with clarity and precision so that you can easily follow along. We begin with the process of accessing WordPress and making your way to the appropriate section to manage your subscribers. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you have loaded the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. In this area, you will notice a login option. By clicking on the login button, you will initiate the process of signing into your account securely. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with different login options. Select the option labeled Continue with Google. This convenient method allows you to sign in using your Google account. Once you choose Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you wish to log in with. Select the appropriate account associated with your WordPress account, ensuring that you use the correct credentials linked to your subscription or blog management settings. This login process is designed to be secure and efficient so that you can quickly reach the next step in managing your website. Now that you are logged in, the next stage is to access the section dedicated to users. To do this, use your browser's address bar or the website's menu to navigate to the users page. This page serves as your central location for managing people who subscribe to your website. Here, you will see a list of all the individuals who are registered as subscribers. Being familiar with and managing these users is crucial for maintaining healthy communication and engagement with your audience. After you have reached the users page, focus on the section titled Subscribers. The Subscribers section makes it easier for you to manage and keep track of everyone who has signed up to receive updates or newsletters from your website. Click on Subscribers to bring up the full list of your subscribers. Once this list is displayed, you will see an option in the top right corner of the page that takes the form of 3 dots. These 3 dots represent additional options, and clicking on them will reveal further commands related to the subscriber list. When you click on the 3 dots, a menu will appear with various actions available to you. From this menu, select the option that says Download Subscribers as CSV. This action allows you to download the entire subscriber list as a CSV file, which is a common format used for storing and managing data in a spreadsheet. The CSV file will then be saved to your computer or device, giving you the flexibility to analyze your data as needed, import it into another system, or maintain a safe backup of your subscriber information. By following this step-by-step process, you have successfully navigated through WordPress, accessed your user and subscriber sections, and learned how to export your subscriber list in CSV format. This method is designed to be simple and efficient, offering you quick access to valuable data while ensuring a smooth user experience. Enjoy managing your subscribers with ease and utilize the CSV file to further analyze or enhance your communication strategies.